Welcome to Corium Concepts. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. I'm your host, Chris, reporting from the beautiful Monashee Mountains in British Columbia, Canada. Thanks for coming by. If I can leave you some value today, please hit the like and share button and get the message out and the channel growing. Appreciate all your support. We're getting positive feedback on the morning market report, so we're going to keep it going here another week. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see something added, deleted, all feedback that is constructive is welcome. Hopefully you'll see a few new additions to today's show. All right, so let's get into it. As I mentioned, all links can be found at my web3.me Corium Concepts profile. Check that out in the bio. If you want to stake your Corium at the Corium Community DAO Validator, you can get to that link from here. Our Discord, all the podcasts from the Superledger podcast up on Spotify, Omniflix.tv, powerful tool. My Web3 is a great product. I encourage you to check it out. No cost to set up a nice page like this at all. It just takes a few minutes. All right, big news today. U.S. spot Ether ETF set to make a market debut in another win for crypto industry. This is an article by Reuters. July 23rd, the first U.S. exchange traded funds tied to the price of Ether, the world's second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, are due to begin trading on Tuesday in another watershed event for the crypto industry's push to go mainstream. Ether ETFs from Van Eck, Franklin Templeton, Fidelity 21 shares of Vesco will begin trading on CBOE, the exchange said in a Friday notice. Well, one from BlackRock will begin trading on the NASDAQ, according to an exchange notice. Products from Bitwise Grayscale Investments will also trade Tuesday on the New York Stock Exchange. Following the launch of 9 U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs in January, the Ether products mark another win for the cryptocurrencies industry campaign to push digital assets into the broader financial sector, although the products are unlikely to garner the same volume of inflows, analysts say. The Bitcoin ETF launches were a culmination of decade-long tussle with Securities and Exchange Commission, which had rejected the products due to market manipulation concerns. The agency was forced to green light the ETFs after losing a court challenge brought by digital asset manager Grayscale Investments. Although it warned when improving them, the products were still highly risky. All right, we'll check out this quick clip from CNBC on the ETFs.
It's a very good sign. So what about Ether? What can we expect from a spot Ether launch here? What would be a victory? So would you say it's a victory if we had 25% of the flows of Bitcoin? 50%? How do we judge whether this is going to be a success or not?
I think 25% would be a great number. If you look at the market cap ratio of Bitcoin and ETH, that's about where you would end up. Our prediction at Bitwise is we could see $15 billion of flows in the first 18 months. That would make these the second most successful ETF launch of all time. Now, I think it could be interesting. It's launching in the summer. That's a quiet period for crypto. It's a quiet period for ETFs. But if there's any softness, I think we'll see the long-term demand accelerate toward the end of the year.
All right, Matt, we're going to have a lot more on Bitcoin.
There you go. So followers of the channel know I'm not the biggest fan of ETH. But as far as integrating into the financial system, mainstream adoption, I suppose this is a very positive sign and worthy of mention. All right, let's get to the markets here. Total crypto market cap 2.366 trillion today, running sideways so far. Gold is trading at $2,402. Silver trying to hold on to $29. DXY a 104.458. These charts are all in the daily time frame. You have Bitcoin trading at a 66,633, 66,633, and XRP fell below 60 cents and is at 59.627. Ethereum $3,472 on its ETF launch day so far, up 0.91%. Corium has fell below 9 cents significantly here, down 5% on the day at 0.865, and just made just about 8.5 cent mark there. So watching that, if we break below the 8.375, that could be significant. See the volumes trending higher on this downward pressure. Sologenic was a topic of the live stream last night due to its excessive amount of volume yesterday in the Bitcoin pairing on Gate.io. We'll talk about that in a second. And is currently trading at 10.5 cents. OmniFlix fell below 15. And I record this show too early to catch the stock market opening. All right, and Sologenic, as mentioned, the volume excessively high lately. You can see it is coming back down to earth now. Yesterday, volume was up 2,000% when I did my live stream last night. $180 million in the last 24 hours is what it was at last night. You can see that is falling. It is 111th in the volume on CoinMarketCap, even though it is 591st in market cap. So very interesting. The volume to market cap ratio the last 24 hours currently at 276%. It was well over 400% last night. So yeah, very interesting. And as mentioned, that majority of that was the solo BTC pair at Gate.io for some reason. So if anybody has any insight of what was going on yesterday, please share in the comments. Heading over to Smart Stake Analytics, checking in on the validators. Total stake Corium 346,184,339, representing 58.1% of the circulating supply being locked up. Currently staking APR of 21.583%. And pending on delegations is growing, currently 5.1 million. That is on the increase. The percent staked on the decrease. Corium Community DAO in 21st in voting power with 4.3 million Corium tokens locked up, representing 1.24% of the vote. 283 awesome people delegating to the validator, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Taking a quick scroll down the list, I don't see or notice any changes to speak of there. All seems quiet in validator land. 62 validators online. Corium Community DAO is one of those. All right, heading over to map of zones on the Corium network. 24-hour IBC volume is fading more, 25,000 in the last 24 hours. Not much going on there. You can see the Corium market cap, 53,194,000. A trading volume of 1.245 million the last 24 hours. On-chain supply of 595,820,000 with a 15.5% inflation rate. That is a variable inflation rate. And staking APR of 27.3%. Reminder that unbonding period, as mentioned, those 5 million tokens, 7 days to unbond your Corium. All right, and looking over the wallets, flatlined, nothing's changed there at all. Looking at the XRP scan, AMM, looking at XRP pools, totaling 9.172 million XRP and 671 active pools. And there's your top 5 in pairs on those pools. The Manorito Market Risk Indicator is at 274. Taking a little pause there. Caution on the direction of the movements. A lot of variables at play now. U.S. politics, certainly one of those. Fear and Greed Index today, we're looking at 71. Running sideways here for the last few days. Up from a month ago at 55. Market sentiment is high on the ETH ETFs. we'll keep our eyes on that today. Let me know if that's something that interests you in the comments. If you found some value here today, please like and share. It really helps the channel grow. Thank each and every one of you. We'll be doing a live stream tomorrow night, Wednesday. Other than that, I will be back here tomorrow morning with another morning market update. Don't forget to check in with the Superledger podcast every Sunday on X, 12 p.m. Pacific time. You can catch the past episodes on Spotify or on my X account. If you're a content creator or want to use AI tools to create content, whether it be video, pictures, NFTs, audio, music, whatever, we're having a creators group planning meeting tonight in our Discord at 7 p.m. Pacific time. Hopefully you can join us there. Peace and prosperity to you all.